everybody, it's Seth Jones, Editor-in-Chief of Athletic Turf. I'm very excited to be out here at the 2019 Sports Turf Managers Show in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm being joined by Mr. Paul Carlson. He is the inventor of the Sidekick. Paul, thanks for taking the time to chat with me today.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So, first of all, tell me, you own the company, but you had an idea one day. How did you come up with this idea?
We had a little bit of a problem with trying to maintain straight edges and gaps, trying to close the gaps from thick cut sod. We had a lot of guys tearing it with rakes and whatnot. We used plates with spikes that kind of tore the grass over a period of time also. So we decided to try it, slide it from the side rather than going on top of the grass, and this seemed to fit.
So, now, what were you doing tell me about your background. What business were you in at the time?
We were installing a lot of sod. Actually, we developed this down at Soldier Field in Chicago. We had to bring his sod in, and there were more and more events taking place and more turf damage that had to be replaced. So we were bringing sod in, and we had to do it very, very quickly, and it had to be done perfect. So we decided to try it this way, and this way worked out very well.
Good. Well, the field looked great at Arrowhead. I'm sorry I didn't help my Chiefs out any for the game. I'm still pretty upset about that.
Yeah,
but,
that was through our contractor who's purchased a number of them. That's Carolina Green, and they've got fantastic sod, and their sod is grown on plastic, so it's even heavier than thick cut sod. So they needed something to really push it over, and the machines fit the bill.
Great. Can you talk to me about what's going on right now? I mean, is it taking off, and how far and wide are you guys going?
It has. We've tried it on several different applications. We tried it on a Toro. That worked well. We tried it on a couple different tractors, and John Deere seemed to be the one where we got the most support from the company. We got the most support from the different models that they had and the drivetrains and really the general recognizability of John Deere. And the comfort that the customers have with John Deere.
Great. Well, Paul, continued success to you guys, and thanks for catching up with me out here at the STMA show.
Okay, thanks, Seth.
Okay, this is Paul Carlson. He is the owner of Sidekick. I'm Seth Jones. We're out here at the 29 STMA show. Thanks for checking in with us here at Athletic Turf.